turbos. But right now I'm going to show you the whistle of a Duramax pickup. We got the stacks on it. You know, if your grandson ever comes up to you and say, hey, Grandpa, you want to give me about $10,000? I want to put some big tires on my truck and a big sticker and stacks. Is that okay? Don't let them do it because they'll never stop putting money into it. This is what a Chevrolet Duramax sounds like. Start it up. You know what's kind of got that whistle when you really hiss on her? And I tell you, if you ever been to Country on the River or any country festival, you will see tons and tons of these pickups. And everybody thinks they got the cool pickup when they put these weird looking stacks on their trucks. This guy has got a garbage can for an exhaust pipe in the back of his truck. And you can almost imagine, what's that going to sound like? Well, it's going to be a little bit loud. It's going to sound a little bit something like this. Start that Cummins up, 5.9 liter. And the Powerstroke, it's got more of a rattle. We got the old Alpine sponsorship jacked up on 35s, the redneck high tech. They got more of that rattle, right? That's probably the coolest farm truck. In my opinion, you want to put a good pickup together, you get yourself a Ford F-350 body. You put yourself a 5.9 liter Cummins in it, and you put yourself a Chevrolet transmission, Allison transmission. Boom! You got the best pickup your money can buy. But they won't ever do it. It takes too much money, right?